and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. For today's video, I am going to attempt to conquer my junk drawer. This drawer right here is an absolute mess. I can't even remember the last time I attempted to clean it out. It was probably a couple years ago, so it's in dire need of a declutter and organization. So my plan is to just go through all this stuff here. We have batteries, water guns, flashlights, rubber balls, and just all kinds of random stuff, even yo-yos, playing cards. I mean, it's all kinds of stuff. I actually did attempt to make my own little organization boxes a couple years ago, and by using wrapping paper I had and boxes I already had. But as you can see, that didn't go very far because I only made one, and that was the end of that. But my plan is to go through everything, organize it, sort it out, and then organize it. I actually went to the dollar store yesterday and bought a bunch of organization bins for this drawer, so I will show you what I bought, and then I'll get on to cleaning and organizing this drawer. Stay tuned. Here are the items that I purchased from the dollar store, and a few of these are just household items that I bought to use around the house. Spray bottle, you can never have enough of these. I bought a squeegee. I thought this would be really good to use on the shower doors. And these washcloths, I thought I'd try these out. They're microfiber, and they have like the mesh on the back of them, which would be really good to scrub hard to remove stains. I also bought this scrubbing brush. And then these bins I bought for the drawer. So I have 3 of these larger bins. I bought 2 of these medium-sized skinny bins. These little square-shaped bins, there's 2 of these. And 2 of the long skinny bins. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. here is the end result. I was able to divide the batteries, the playing cards, flashlights, cords, even the lint rollers have their own bin. So I am going to have a much easier time finding things in this drawer, and surprisingly I even had room to spare. So what an affordable way to organize your drawer. I'll probably end up going back there to get one more bin, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you have a great day. I will talk to you soon.